Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to be diving into one of the most popular and powerful tools in technical analysis, the MACD indicator. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the best MACD settings to help you get more accurate trading signals, whether you are trading stocks, Forex, or crypto. Okay, now if you are new to the MACD, it stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's designed to help you spot changes in momentum, and I'm just going to be adding the MACD to our chart right now. Okay, yeah, as you can see on the screen, it consists of the MACD line. Consists of this MACD line and the histogram bars. It consists of a line and histogram bars. Okay, but what most people don't know is that optimizing the MACD settings can drastically improve your signals. Okay, by default, most charting platforms would give you MACD settings of 12, 26, and 9. As we can see here, the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, and the MACD SMA is 9. Now, these numbers represent the periods used for the fast and slowing moving averages. As we can see, this for the fast moving averages, for the slow moving average, as well as the signal line. Okay, but here's the secret. Depending on your trading style, whether you are day trading, swing trading, or position trading, these settings can be tweaked for better accuracy. Okay, so let us break it down. If you are a short-term trader, like a day trader, you want faster signals. Yeah, you want faster signals. So a good place to start is using a 6, 13, and 5 MACD setting. So we're just going to be changing this to 6, changing this to 13, and changing this to 5. That is if you are a day trader. Okay, this setup reacts quicker to price changes, which can help you catch early entry points. Okay, now we can see that these are the 6, 13, 5 settings for the MACD, and you can see how it changed, right? You can see how it changed. This can help you to catch quicker price changes. See how much quicker this MACD reacts compared to the default. Can you see? You can see that there was a difference, or there is a difference. You are able to catch those short-term moves. Yeah, okay, you will be able to catch those short-term moves with these particular settings. But remember, it can also lead to more false signals. So be sure to combine it with other indicators or price action. Okay. Now for swing traders who hold positions for days or even weeks, you want to find a balance between speed and accuracy. I recommend trying settings like 9, 19, and 6. Now let us try it out. We're going to change the fast EMA to 9, the slow EMA to 19, and the MACD SMA to 6. Now this is for swing traders. Let's watch how the indicator changes. Can you see? You can see how the indicator changed, right? How it kind of expanded a bit, okay, because this is a swing trading settings. Okay, now with these settings, you are less likely to get whipsawed in and out of trades, but still catch the larger, more profitable trends. Okay, and for those of you trading on higher time frames, think weekly. Let's see, the weekly or the monthly charts. You will want to slow things down. Yeah, you will want to slow things down. In this case, we're going to be looking at a settings of, we're going to be modifying the settings to, for the fast EMA is going to be 12, the slow EMA we're going to use 26, and the MACD SMA, we are going to use 9. Okay, all right. In this case, a 12-26-9 settings works well, or you can even go with 19, 39, and 9 for a really smooth trend following approach. So if you are a fan of following the trend, if you are a big fan of following the trend, and you trade on the weekly or monthly time frames, you can even modify further to 19 for the fast EMA, 39 for the slow EMA, and 9 for the MACD SMA. And you can see this will help you to focus more on trends. Okay, as we can see that when we had a crossover, it showed that the market was really trending downwards in the case of this bearish crossover. Now in the case of this bullish in the case of this bullish crossover, you can see that it didn't even last for long and it crossed back downwards, showing that there was not strong momentum. As you can see, the histogram bars were short. But in the case of here, you can see that when we had a crossover with increasing histogram bars, it showed that the bullish momentum was quite strong. And the same thing for here, it showed the bearish momentum was strong. So this particular settings focuses on trend. Okay, if you trade ranging markets, then it won't even really be a good option trading ranging markets in high time frames like this, because I think if you use the monthly or weekly time frames, you might be more interested in trends. But if you want to trade a ranging market, okay, in this case, this wasn't exactly a ranging market. This was it was still a sell trend, kind of. Let us see. Yeah, we still had a sell. This is a sell structure because we had lower lows, we had lower highs. Then in this case we had some sort of pattern here. I think this is a triangle pattern that was forming around here. So you can trade chart patterns like this on higher time frames. Okay, you can actually trade the ranging market on the higher time frames. Yeah, it's just that the MACD indicator might give you more false signals if the market is ranging. So it's better to use the MACD indicator in trending markets. Anyways, we can see that this settings is fit for the high time frames like the monthly time frame, and it's best for trending markets. All right, so now you know the best settings depending on your trading style, but remember, no indicator is perfect on its own. Always combine the MACD with other tools like support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are very important, like this, they can help you to know potential reversal points and also combine it with trend lines. You can see as I just drew a couple of trend lines here already. They are very important, and you can also combine other indicators to increase your accuracy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any future trading tips. I've got plenty more coming your way to help you level up your trading game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.